welcome everyone on my channel. I hope you are doing great in your life. So today in this video I am going to do unboxing of a product which is very popular on social media, as well as you see a lot many ad of it on YouTube. So the product is Mamaearth. So I'll be doing the unboxing of Mamaearth, so stay with me. Let's get started. So this is the product which I received from Mamaearth. So it came in a cute packaging of Mamaearth, and it did not had any polythene plastic packaging as we get into any online delivery. So it was having just the original Mamaearth, and even your whatever amount is written, the bill slip was written on this packaging, which I really liked. Why so? Because you have not wasted any polythene. So well done, Mamaearth. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, I need to cut it all. So let's do it. Okay. Done with the unboxing. Okay, so inside here I could find that again a bill slip is given by Mamaearth, which is a very good thing. Okay, so here is it. I received the product. In this there was a packaging. This packaging was there. Now it is written, it is Micron with recycled material, 100% recyclable and reprocessable, and it is for 5 rupees. But it was not kept inside it, it was wrapped. Okay. So the two products which I ordered from Mamaearth was Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. So this is how it looks, and the directions. So this is the first. This one, Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash with Vitamin C and turmeric. It is written, it is for skin illumination, and it is paraben and SLS free. It is dermatologically tested and it suits all skin type. Very good. Now the net content when packed is 150 ml. So it is consisting 150 ml of the product, and the back of it is marketed by, it is written, manufactured by, it is written, it is for 399 rupees. And yes, their website is given www.mamaearth.in, and its expiry date is 5/23. I mean, I have a lot of duration to use this, but I think I'll finish it soon. So yes. And now here in this portion, directions for use are given, in which it is written that wet your face and neck with warm water first, and then pump out foam face wash. Okay. Massage gently all over face and neck with the help of inbuilt soft brush to remove impurities. Cleanse deeply and purify clogged pores. Well, it has explained very nicely the directions for use, and then tip is given over here, in which tip it is said, wash the silicone brush thoroughly with water to maintain regular hygiene. Now it says the product contains natural ingredients and may change color and fragrance without losing effectiveness. Very good. Even natural ingredients can cause and trigger existing allergies, so patch test recommended. Okay, very nice thing. So if you are somebody who is allergic, so you can have the patch test first. So result may vary. Store in cool and dry place for external use. Now tips for radiant skin they have given, that is, drink plenty of water and keep yourself hydrated all time. So you need to drink a lot of water. Now get adequate sleep to promote cell turnover and collagen production. To have a nice sleep, and eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidant and vitamins. So please eat healthy. Okay, who is suitable for? Who is it suitable for? That means Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. It is suitable for men and women of age 15 years and above, and suitable for all skin type. So if you are 15 years or above, You can use this product. It is suitable for you, and it is skin for all the skin type, which means normal skin type, dry skin type, oily skin type. You can all use it. So here and here it is, on this portion it is written that it is ingredients are written. Okay, so deeply cleanses skin with natural ingredients, promote clear complexion. So all the ingredients are given over this portion, and it is plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use, and it is written here cruelty free. So this is how the entire packaging and everything for Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash looks like. Now I'll just open it. Okay, get out now, come on. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I need to remove this. Yes, this is the entire product, and I find that it is very cute. So this is the first product which I received from Mamaearth, that is Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. And the next product which I have is this, that is Mamaearth Aloe Turmeric Gel. So it does not have any packaging like this, like the previous one, but it is here. It is again for skin and hair. This Aloe Turmeric Gel, it is with pure aloe vera and turmeric, and it is written that it is for all skin, for skin and hair, and it is also paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and it is suitable for all skin and hair type, and this is consisting of 300 ml. Okay, now again here directions for usage is given, and yes, its expiry is June 2023, and it is for $3.99. So yes, I can use it for a long time, and I think I will finish both these products before their expiry date. They look really very nice. After usage, I'll definitely make a review video how has been my experience using Mamaearth product. Also, in case I would be purchasing other products, I would also make a review video for the same. In case you have not subscribed my channel, you can do so. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.